Hi, my name's Link from Gardening Express, and today we're going to be talking about magnolias. Magnolias are a stunning tree/shrub originating in Asia and the Americas, but are a firm favourite here in the UK. Part of the reason for its popularity is its beautiful fragrant spring flowers. These come in colours such as white, pink, purple and even sometimes yellow. You can also get varieties that have glossy green leaves that turn a beautiful amber colour in the autumn. Magnolias come in both deciduous and evergreen varieties, with some staying at shrub size and others growing to very large trees. Now, in order for your magnolia to thrive, it's really important that you plant it in a nice sunny spot with well-drained, ever so slightly acidic soil. Due to the variety of this species, you can pretty much put them anywhere. This includes borders, containers, feature planting. They'll add this really lovely elegance wherever you put them. While magnolias are a relatively low maintenance plant, it's important to keep your young magnolias well watered while they're being established. You can also mulch in the spring to keep the roots protected and moist. Magnolias rarely need pruning, but if necessary, do this in midsummer to prevent sap bleeding. Simply remove any dead, damaged or crossing branches to keep it in a nice healthy shape. That's all from us today. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about magnolias, check out the full article on our Knowledge Hub. It's full of really helpful tips and tricks on how to keep your garden looking great. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening content. And if there's anything you'd like to know, make sure you mention it down in the comments.